Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do if mic is not working in your device Samsung A04e. So if you're facing mic problem in your device Samsung A04e, you can fix it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix mic problem in your device.